Zachary, do you like this? Do you want some smoothie? You gotta hold on to its side. No, you're making a mess. You're like this. Mommy will help you. Your favorite. Here. You like smoothies. Oh, so delicious. Okay, all right. I won't take it away. You want more? You're messy. It's messy. Well done. Well done. Oh, now I get to play with the mess. And finger painting. Yay. Oh, wait. Nope. I want to finger paint, I think. But I want to hold on to the cup just in case. You want any more, Zachary? Yeah?